Mabuhay! It's me, Ira from Daily Pinoy. Today, I'll be your tour guide because this place is so special to me. This is the place where I grew up, and up until now, I still live here. And I'll always be proud to call myself Cainteño. Welcome to my hometown.
Cainta is a first-class municipality in the province of Rizal, Philippines, and it's one of the oldest municipalities in Luzon.
This is our municipal hall. This is where I used to stop by when I was still in high school because my school is just right there. We are blessed enough that we have a very good leaders in this town who keeps on doing their best just to make this town even more progressive. I just want to say thank you to our Mayor, Maria Elenita Nieto and Mayor Kit Nieto. Thank you so much for everything that you've done for our town. Mabuhay po kayo! So my hometown, it's not that big. You can easily go everywhere from church, hospital, market, school. I'm just so lucky that from the place where I live, I'm just nearby to the center of the town. So now we're here at the hospital. This is just beside our municipal hall. And there's actually a lot of free services they're giving here. And this is really helpful for those people who are in need.
So here is our church. It's so nice that there's a lot of improvements with our church. It's so beautiful now. Just in front of the church is a plaza. This is called the Liwasang Bayan, where they used to hold events before. And now we have our own arena where all the events are happening. And now, down to the last part. You're not Cainteño if you don't know what Bibingka is, because we are the Bibingka Capital of the Philippines.
So for those who don't know, this is the most famous brand of Bibingka here in Cainta. And this is called the Aling Kikas.
Aling Kikas is one of the oldest and well-known brand when it comes to the best Bibingka in Cainta, Rizal. Can you believe that every holiday is just like Christmas and New Year? There's always a lot of people falling in line from different places early in the morning just to buy here. And they're willing to wait for their special bibingka. And even if it's just a normal day, there's always people falling in line to buy the best bibingka and kakanin, or also known in English as Filipino rice cake. We are home of the best Filipino delicacies such as suman, bibingka latik, sapin-sapin, and more. So if you have a sweet tooth just like me, come and visit my hometown, Cainta, Rizal. We are the best.
Mabuhay! I'm home. This is from Aling Kikas, as you can see. So, it says here, when it comes to quality, Aling Kikas, the #1 Bibingka seller here in Cainta, Rizal. We got the assorted one. So the most special product that we have here is the Bibingka. This is the special Bibingka, but since I wanted to show you all those different types of Kakanin products from Aling Kikas, I got the assorted one. Let's see. It looks so yummy. Ooh, the unboxing. So this one is the Bibingka. Our hometown is well known because of this, the special Bibingka. You see? And this one is the Sapin-Sapin. There's also Kalamay. This one is the Kalamay, and this one is the Cassava. Looks so yummy. So what are you waiting for? Let's try it now. So of course, we'll go first to our famous Bibingka, since we are the Bibingka capital of the Philippines. This is the first one that we're gonna try, the Bibingka, because we are well known for this. So soft. Okay. So this one is the Bibingka. This one from Aling Kikas is so soft and so yummy. So this one is sticky rice. No, this Bibingka is called the Bibingkang Malagkit, because I think there's two types of bibingkas. This one and the one that we are known for is the Bibingkang Malagkit, or also known in English as Filipino rice cake with caramelized coconut topping. So this one is the Sapin-Sapin, you see? The difference is this one has a sticky rice under. So next one, we're gonna try the Cassava. The purple one. This one and this one, they're almost the same when it comes to the taste. But if I'm gonna rate all of these products, I'm still gonna go with our Bibingkang Malagkit, because this is still the best product that we have here in our hometown. I also love that this one is no preservatives, this one that we're eating right now. That's why you need to consume it as soon as possible. Like what it says here, think quality. All in all, I really like all of these assorted products. This one I got is the tray, 380 pesos only. It's good for like maybe 10 people or more. If you're gonna celebrate with your family or your friends. It's really a perfect dessert for your events and parties. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated for more upcoming daily Pinoy vlogs. Comment down below why it's best to live in Cainta, Rizal. I hope to see you guys again soon in my next video. This is Ira from Daily Pinoy. Thank you for watching. Bye!